Here are some inspiring ideas for your project on upcycling forgotten wood into modern masterpieces. 1. Furniture creation. Transform old wooden pallets or discarded furniture into stylish coffee tables, shelves, or benches. 2. Wall art. Use reclaimed wood to create stunning wall art or sculptures. Consider geometric patterns or natural shapes to highlight the wood's texture. 3. Home decor. Craft decorative items like candle holders, picture frames, or plant stands. These can bring a rustic charm to any space. 4. Functional items. Create multifunctional pieces such as a coat rack with built-in storage or a wooden key holder that doubles as art. 5. Garden projects. Design raised garden beds or trellises using old wood. This not only upcycles but also enhances outdoor spaces. 6. Custom signage. Make personalized signs for homes or businesses. Use wood burning or painting techniques to add unique touches. 7. Kids projects. Involve children in creating simple projects like birdhouses or toy boxes. This can teach them about sustainability and creativity. 8. Artistic installations. Collaborate with local artists to create community installations that tell a story through the use of upcycled wood. 9. Workshops. Host workshops to teach others how to upcycle wood, sharing techniques and sparking creativity in your community. 10. Storytelling. Share the history of the wood pieces you use. Each item can have a story that adds depth to the final product. These ideas can help inspire your audience to see the potential in forgotten wood and encourage them to unleash their creativity. Can you provide examples of tools and techniques for upcycling wood? Certainly, here are some tools and techniques for upcycling wood. Tools. Saw. Types: circular saw, miter saw, or jigsaw for cutting wood into desired shapes and sizes. Sander. Types: orbital sander or hand sander for smoothing surfaces and edges. Drill. For making holes for screws or dowels and for adding hardware. Wood glue. Strong adhesive for joining pieces of wood together. Clamps. To hold pieces together while the glue dries or during assembly. Paint or stain. To finish the wood, enhance its color, or protect it from the elements. Wood finishing tools. Brushes or rags for applying stains or finishes. Measuring tools. Tape measure and square for precise measurements and angles. Safety gear. Goggles, gloves, and masks to protect yourself while working. Techniques. Sanding and refinishing. Sand down old finishes and apply new paint or stain to give wood a fresh look. Joinery. Use techniques like doweling, biscuit joints, or pocket screws to assemble pieces securely. Reclaimed wood. Salvage wood from old pallets, fences, or furniture and clean it for new projects. Decoupage. Apply paper or fabric designs to wood surfaces using decoupage glue for a unique look. Wood burning. Use a wood burner to create designs or patterns directly on the wood surface. Painting techniques. Experiment with techniques like distressing, whitewashing, or stenciling for a creative finish. Modular designs. Create pieces that can be easily disassembled or reconfigured for different uses. Incorporating mixed media. Combine wood with metal, glass, or fabric elements to create mixed media art pieces. Upcycled hardware. Incorporate old knobs, handles, or hinges as decorative elements or functional hardware. Creative sculpting. Use chisels and carving tools to add artistic elements or detailed designs to wooden pieces. These tools and techniques can help you effectively upcycle wood into beautiful and functional pieces. What safety gear is most crucial when working with these tools? When working with wood and power tools, safety is paramount. Here are the most crucial pieces of safety gear to consider. 1. Safety goggles. Protect your eyes from sawdust, wood chips, and debris. 2. Dust mask or respirator. Helps filter out fine dust particles and harmful fumes, especially when sanding or using finishes. 3. Hearing protection. Earplugs or earmuffs to protect against noise from power tools, especially saws and drills. 4. Gloves. Durable work gloves to protect your hands from splinters, cuts, and abrasions. However, be cautious with power tools as gloves can get caught. 5. Hard hat. Useful in environments where there's a risk of falling objects or when working overhead. 6. Steel-toed boots. Protect your feet from heavy objects or tools that may fall and provide stability. 7. Face shield. Provides additional protection for your face when using tools that produce flying debris. 8. Apron or work vest. Keeps tools handy and protects your clothes while providing some extra layer of protection. 9. First aid kit. Always have a first aid kit nearby for quick access in case of minor injuries. 10. Fire extinguisher. Keep a fire extinguisher within reach if you're working with flammable materials or finishes. Using the appropriate safety gear can significantly reduce the risk of injury and create a safer working environment. Always prioritize safety when working with tools. Which safety gear is most important for a beginner? For beginners working with wood and tools, it's essential to prioritize safety. Here's a list of the most important safety gear. 1. Safety goggles. Protect your eyes from sawdust, wood chips, and debris. This is crucial for any woodworking project. 2. Dust mask or respirator. Helps filter out fine dust particles and harmful fumes, particularly during sanding or finishing. 3. Hearing protection. Earplugs or earmuffs to shield your ears from loud noise produced by power tools. 4. Gloves. Durable work gloves protect your hands from splinters and cuts. Ensure they fit well to avoid getting caught in machinery. 5. Steel-toed boots. Protect your feet from heavy objects and provide stability while working. 6. First aid kit. Have a basic first aid kit on hand for minor injuries that may occur. 7. Work apron. A simple work apron can keep your clothes clean and provide pockets for holding tools. Focusing on these essential pieces of safety gear will help beginners work more safely and confidently while learning the craft.